So, bache, we are going to start our fourth chapter of geography, that is map. Okay, you already covered your second chapter of geography, that is globe. You studied about that what is globe, what are the features of the globe, and what are the importance of the globe. You also covered the advantages and disadvantages of globe. Yes. So today we are going to start our first chapter, that is map. What is map, bache? Map is the representation of earth surface. Earth का जो भी surface है, map is drawing of that. Okay, that like Paridhi. Okay, Paridhi Gupta. Have you ever seen the map? Map तो देखा ही होगा आप सबने. Okay, so map is the representation of earth's surface. That how is the earth's surface, how it works, and how we can use that particular map to represent our earth's surface. Fine. And what are the types of map and how we can read a particular map? Because there are you know there are some signs and symbols are also there in the map. So in our this chapter, we will understand all the points related to the map. That how we can read a particular map, because you know that map is having a universal language, that anybody from any part of the world can read that particular map. Okay, I will explain you that how map is having a universal language. First, बच्चे अभी तक मैंने कुछ ऐसा डिस्कस ही नहीं किया है, ठीक है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर, that what we are going to discuss in the chapter. No problem at all if you were disconnected. Okay, we are starting our meeting from here only. I just introduce to you regarding the chapter. I have given you the introduction of the chapter, that we will cover the meaning of the map, cover the types of the map, and we will cover that how we can read any map. Okay, क्या कर दूंगी, सारे के सारे नीचे उतर जाओ और बाहर चलो, नीचे आओ. Let me check your. Yes, बच्चे. Okay, so map is the representation of Earth's surface. Now your next point is types of maps. How many types of maps are there? Can anybody tell me? Physical and political. Very nice. Very nice. Now everybody mute yourself. It's my request to all of you that please mute yourself. Yes, Pache. No. Why do you want to use highlighter, Pache? See, Pache, basically, now you have already studied about the two types of map only. That is physical map and political map. Political map are the map which shows you the political boundaries of state and countries. Okay, like you can say that this is your physical map and this is your political map. Political map, you are having like this boundaries in the map. Yes, like you are having different states and you are having a country like this. This is India. Here you are having Bangladesh. There is a boundary. You are having Pakistan and Nepal. After that, you are having China. So these boundaries are for separating state to state and country from another country. Okay, so this is your physical map. When any map shows you the boundary of the state or boundaries of the country. You called it physical map. Next is your political map. Sorry, boundary shows political map, and without boundary, when it shows the features of that, you call it physical map. Okay. Yes. Now it's come to the physical map. What happened in the physical map? Like this. You are having map like this. Suppose this is the map of India. Okay. This is the map of India. Now you don't have any boundary in between. Okay. And in this map, you can draw your plateau. By taking example, if I show you that this is plateau, this portion is your Deccan plateau. Okay. We don't have any boundary in this particular map. This is your Deccan plateau, and here you are having mountain range. From here, you are having your Brahmaputra river. Okay. Here we can mark your Indus Valley. This. Okay. So when we can plot any river, place, and oceans on any map, which is not having any clear cut boundaries. That is your physical map. Okay. Like this. Again, I want to show you that by taking example that this is map. Okay. And here you are having Haryana. This is your physical map. And you want to mark your Haryana over here. Okay. And now you want to again. Voice is breaking. Wait. Okay, bacha, mute yourself. Then it will be clear to you. Okay, so like this on the physical map, we can draw any plain, plateau, mountains, and oceans. And what happened in the political map? In the political map, let's this is your India. Okay, so here this is Gujarat, Rajasthan. You are having Jammu and Kashmir, Shimla, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana. Okay, then you are having your UP, you are having your MP over here, Maharashtra, Karnataka. So like this, you are having boundaries of your all the states. Okay, and like this, you are having boundaries of countries also. That here you are having Pakistan, here Nepal, and after that you are having China. You are having Bangladesh over here, and here you are having Sri Lanka. Okay, so these boundaries separate these states and countries also. Okay, these boundaries separate the countries, and internal boundaries separate your you can say states one to another. Sorry, Ajay, mute yourself. Then you will be able to listen very carefully. Okay, mute yourself. Next map you are having thematic map. What do you mean by thematic map? Any map which gives you any specific information. By taking example, I would also like to draw like this. Wait. This is your India. Okay. And now you want to show roads, various roads and various road lines. Okay. So you can mark that we are having forest over here. मैंने बट ये सारी चीजें रिकॉर्ड होती है सारी चीजें रिकॉर्ड होती है बच्चे म्यूट योरसेल्फ लेट मी म्यूट योरसेल्फ बच्चे दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ब्रेकिंग नाउ wait now I hope it is clear yes so next we are having thematic map okay now it is clear to you all here we are having our thematic map which provide us information regarding some particular thing. Like if you want to show roads like this, okay, if you want to show uh, you can say railway lines, okay, so like this we can say railway lines. If we want to show the forest like this, we can show the forest. Okay, and if we want to show water bodies, okay, we are using this blue color to show our water bodies. Okay, fine. And if you want to show our forest, so I am using this green color to show our trees. Okay, so like this, you can read your thematic map. In the beginning of the class, I told you now that map is having a universal language that anybody can read that. So you can read the map with the help of these symbols. If you know that this line, sorry, take me red color. This line is for roads and the lines which are like this. These are your railway lines. Okay, so you can easily read the map. The place where you are having these red lines means these are roads in India, and from where you are having railway lines, this yellow color will show you the railway lines. Green color will show you the forest. By taking example, if you want to visit any forest of your country, so what you will do? You will take the map. You will take the thematic map. Okay, and you will find out the various forest and the state which belongs to it. Now it will be easy for you if you want to visit any forest or if you want to take any information regarding that. You can also choose the you can also measure the distance from each state and from forest to forest, that how much time it will take. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Yes, types of maps are clear to you all, bache? Yes. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt in the types of maps? No. Okay, fine. Very nice. Very nice. Now we will discuss the components of the map. Okay, what we will discuss? We will discuss the components of the map. Then what are the components of the map? So basically, we are having three components of the map. Yes, bache? Yes. Are you asking something? Okay, bache, I am continuing because no one is asking any question. Okay, so we are having three components of the map. I need to crop this picture. So instead of this picture, I am sharing you the whiteboard with you. Okay, so we are having three components. Three components of the map. Bache, mute yourself. Everybody will mute yourself. Bache, listen first. If you're facing such kind of problem, that it can be network problem from your side also, na bache? I have changed my direction. Try to change your direction. After that, you will be able to listen carefully. So there are three components of the map. One is your distance. Okay? That what is the proper distance from state to state? You can say village to village or from country to country. Okay, so your first component is distance. We can easily measure the distance of any particular area or any particular village, town, state, and country. Okay, next we are having direction. Direction. Okay, direction is also a very important component of the map. डायरेक्शन का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूंगी that direction you can divide it into two parts. One is your cardinal direction. What are cardinal direction? Cardinal. Cardinal. Okay, cardinal direction are your south, west, east, west, north, south. Okay, so these are your cardinal direction: east, west, north, and south. Okay, you called it cardinal direction. Now, here are intermediate direction. Listen it very carefully. Cardinal direction are east, west, north, sorry, north, south. Now you are having intermediate. Intermediate. Okay. Intermediate, like you are having southwest, you are having northeast. Okay, like this, you are having सब डायरेक्शन. यस बेटा, सब डायरेक्शन होते हैं, बट इन दिस you are having new term for this sub direction, and that is intermediate. Okay, so you need to learn this term also, that sub direction are also called intermediate direction, because according to your syllabus now question will be asked regarding intermediate direction, not related to the sub direction. That's why I'm not talking about the sub direction. Because if I will explain you the sub direction, then you will not able to understand the intermediate direction. Okay, बच्चे? So I hope intermediate direction are clear to you. बच्चे, कि आपको मैप पे प्रॉपर जो इंडिया का मैप है उस पे मेरे को एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत तो नहीं है ना? I hope that this concept is clear to you all, that where we can mark our intermediate direction. Okay, so this was your direction. Next, your component is symbol. Okay, fine. Our next is symbol. What are symbols? Symbols are some signs. Symbols. Like, अभी आपके साथ जैसे मैंने डिस्कस किया ना, that we are using trees to locate our forest. We are using a straight line to show our roads. We are using a line like this to show our railway lines. So these are the symbols. ठीक है? Symbols give us a very मतलब useful information in a limited space. Okay. By taking example that you are having this area. Let me clear it. Like this, you are having map of India, and now you want to show that here we are having forest. Here we are having railway line. Okay, or we can say that here we are having church. We can locate anything with the help of the symbol. Okay, and here we are having metallic road. Double line आ गई आपकी. Here we are having metallic road. In this area, where we should use that, anywhere we can use that. Here we are using that like this. We are having unmetallic road. Okay, so these are the symbol which provide us information, which give us lot of information in a limited space. Fine. Is it clear to you all, bache? Yes. So today we have covered meaning. We have covered the types of map and components of the map. I have given you the brief explanation of the components of the map. I didn't explain you in detail. Okay, because if I will explain you everything, then you will confused when you will read the chapter. Okay, so I am not explaining you the complete chapter. Complete chapter we will cover on Monday. Okay, so if you're having any doubt regarding today's class, that what is the meaning of that map, and what are the types of map, and what are the components of map. So you can ask your doubts. Yes, bache? Do you have any doubt and query? No? Shravan is nodding his head like this. Yes, bache? Bache, you can ask your doubt. No, don't have any doubt. Wow, you are so intelligent students. I'm having very intelligent students in my class that all the concepts are clear in one time only. So, bacha, this was all about today's class. Okay, we will now meet on Monday with a new topic. It is components of the map.